Right, let's see if I'm rich again. We've got a wash machine here, block pump, something's in the filter. Let's unscrew it and check it out. When your washing machine's blocked, always make sure you have a towel ready to catch any water. There's always water left in the pump somewhere, maybe between half a litre to 1 litre. Right, let's see if I'm rich. Here's the water. This is what I mean about the towel. Right, nothing's in there, so let's check out what's inside. Oh, there you go. I can see some money. What's that? Guitar plectrum or something? Right, let's fish it out. 20p. Whatever that is. Look at that, an old pound there. Some kind of plectrum, guitar plectrum, I guess. There's something else down here, I just can't get to it. £5p. Always make sure that the propeller goes around. You should feel a bit of resistance on there, but always make sure that goes around, because sometimes there could be something else in there that's blocking it. But to me, that all seems good. Right, so this is what we got. Old 20p, a very old pound, whatever this is. What's this? 2 cents, and a guitar plectrum. If I want to get rich, I'm going to have to clean out a lot of filters. £1.25, and that's whether the bank accepts these old £1 anymore. Maybe I can learn how to play the guitar with this plectrum, I don't know. But that is the problem sometimes when water isn't coming out of your machine. Most of the time you have a blocked filter. I hope this video helped. As I always say, please like, tag, follow, share and subscribe. Always helps our channel grow. And thanks for watching.